Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an update video. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on my upgrade to the iPhone 14 Pro Max from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm not going to do this in a really techie way. I've done this a few different ways when I've upgraded. One way that I do it is by pulling up the Apple website and doing comparisons. I think I am still going to do a video like that where I'm showing you like in-depth differences between the two in case you're considering upgrading and you already have the 12 Pro Max and you're wondering like what the differences are. But this video, I'm more so just going to speak to you all in layman's terms. Again, it's not going to be too techie, about how I feel the upgrade is going for me and if I recommend, or if I I don't want to say if I recommend the upgrade, but if I am pleased with the upgrade or not, if I think it was worth it or not. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So what I can say is, like I mentioned in my iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing video, I was on the fence as to if I should upgrade from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro Max because I really didn't see too many differences. I just didn't feel like I needed to upgrade. I don't know, it's something, I didn't have that pull there. When the 14 came out, because I didn't upgrade with the prior phone, I felt like I needed to. And I can definitely say that I am pleased with my upgrade. I don't regret it. I don't think that it was a waste of money. Now, I do know when iPhone comes out with a new phone, they have like updates for the previous phones, updates for all of the phones really, but sometimes some of the updates roll over to the older phones. And so you're able to enjoy some of the perks that people enjoy with the new phones. So I don't know what updates rolled over and what didn't, but I can say that I do, number one, love the camera on this phone. I can definitely tell the difference with this camera. For those of you that have been following this channel, you know that I recently had a newborn, and you know, I love taking pictures of her. I take pictures of all of my kids, but you know how it is when you have a baby. Like, I'm snapping pictures of her all the time, and I can immediately tell the difference in the picture quality from when I took pictures with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like, it looks completely different night and day. Also, there's different more settings and more picture options, portrait options when it comes to taking pictures on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Again, I don't know if it's available with the update with the other phones, but I do know that it's something I'm enjoying with this phone. Another thing that I'm enjoying is the color. Now, I'm not a big, my phone has to be this particular color for me to like it. I kind of grew out of that as I got older and Apple kept kind of producing similar phones. It was and I kept using phone cases. It was like, I'm going to have a case on my phone the majority of the time anyways. This time around, I got a clear case, so you can see the color, but I really do like seeing the purple. Still would like it if it wasn't purple though, but I definitely like that. Also, the cameras. The cameras are, like I mentioned, how they're a lot better and crisp. They're bigger. So I mentioned in my unboxing video recently that I didn't know if I could use the same phone cases with the iPhone 12 Pro Max on this phone, and because they're the same size, so I thought that you could, but you can't, because the cameras on this phone, the 14 Pro Max, are a lot bigger than the 12 Pro Max cameras. So I just wanted to put that out there. Another thing that I like is I have an option now to see how much battery life I have on my phone, like at the top of where the battery's at. Normally with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I can just see and I don't know if this is like a setting that I turned on or if it's just something that comes with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let me know in the comments, leave it below. But it's a feature that I've been enjoying using. Instead of it just showing like a bar with a green light to resemble how much battery I have left, it actually shows that, plus it shows like 30 or 35. It shows the percentage right there, which is helpful. I've noticed that this battery seems a lot longer. I do a lot from my phone. I work from my phone. I post videos, I edit, I do just a lot of stuff from my phone. So my phone battery doesn't last very long. But this phone, it does. I don't have to constantly charge my phone throughout the day. It pretty much keeps a good charge. I may have to charge it if I'm on it extensively, maybe, you know, twice a day. Not twice, maybe once a day. Like if I start off with the full battery and I'm working on it consistently straight through, I may have to charge it one more time, but it's still a lot longer than the 12 Pro Max. So if you're someone that's constantly on your phone, you may actually like this upgrade because of the battery. I did get a higher storage as well, but I forgot what storage I got, but that's not really, I enjoy using that, but you could have got, I could have got a higher storage with the 12 Pro Max. I'm not really going to go into that as a perk of the upgrade. What else do I like? Also with this phone, the time always stays on the phone. So like when you click your phone to try to just get out of it and put it back on like a black screen is what I was used to seeing. It doesn't go completely black. I actually can still see a faint resemblance of my screensaver and also the time, which is really helpful because I find myself kind of looking over at my phone, and instead of me having to click the button to see what time it is or click the button to see anything, it's already like pre-lit. So I think that's pretty cool too. Trying to think what else am I excuse me, excited with. There's also more convenient options to change my screensaver. All I have to do is like press and hold my screensaver, and then I can change it right from the main screen. I couldn't do that before, or if I could with my 12 Pro Max, I didn't know about it. Now I haven't done too much diving into this phone. I've just been using it like I typically have used my phones to work and to talk. But I can say those features have been the main ones that have stuck out to me, and for that reason I don't regret my upgrade. Excuse me. I really enjoy the battery life. The cameras are amazing. Right now I'm not using the rear facing camera, I'm just using the front facing camera because I just like recording that way better. But if I recorded from the rear facing camera, I'm sure you'd be able to see a complete difference in like the quality in my recording as well. So if you are someone that records for YouTube or anything else or likes taking pictures, I definitely recommend this upgrade. So the thing, I guess, if I had to choose out of all the features, what really sticks with me, I would have to say it's the camera. Really enjoy using it, and I'm really pleased with the quality. So that's that. I think that if you are interested in any of the updates that I mentioned, and you have like the 12 or something before the 12, yeah, it probably would be worth upgrading. For the 13 Pro Max, I don't know all the features that came with it because again, I did not upgrade to it. So it may not be worth upgrading to you. I'm not sure. I don't know. But if you do have the 13, if you did have the iPhone 13 Pro Max and have upgraded to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, leave a comment and let us know if you think that it was worth the upgrade, if you're happy with your decision, just to kind of help others out there too. I do want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.